Hi everyone, come back with us. After you can sing the song, and the next we will try to gesture, yeah. Try gesture with Tia and me. Okay, let's try.
Okay, first intro music. In this section, you can open and close, and your leg slide, slide, slide 5 times to right and 5 times to left, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and stop. Okay? Once more. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, stop. Okay, nice. Next, in the lyric, burung kakak tua, open your leg and your hand behind your body.
Beside your body.
Sorry. Beside in your body. Okay, like this. And down and up. Like this. Okay. 4 times, 2 times right and 2 times left. With the lyric, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Burung kakak tua.
Stop. Okay. Like look my leg. Like this and like this, okay? Once more together. 3, 4. Burung kakak tua. And stop. Okay. Next.
And then for hinggap di jendela, you can move like this. Cross your foot.
Cross.
Your legs, right legs.
And
back. Cross again. Back. Cross. Back.
Cross.
Back.
Okay.
Understand? Okay, after you understand, with your hands like this. Open your hand. 1.
Open.
Down. 2.
Open.
And down. 1 and down. 1 and down. Okay, let's do it together with your legs and your hand together. Try. Okay, 3.
8 times, okay?
Again, 8 times. Okay, try.
3 from
The last position. The last position like this. 3 and 4. 1 and
2.
Step. Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay?
Okay. Okay, good.
With the lyric.
Next, the lyric.
3, 4. Hingga di jendela.
Stop.
Iki Mbak. Teng.
Okay, one more. Try one more.
With the lyric, okay?
Say, the last position with sound. Okay? Start.
Hinggap di jendela.
Stop. And the next. Nenek sudah tua. You can move like this. Put your hands
Over
in front on chest. Okay? And
your
then
chest.
your legs or your foot is up and kick. Okay?
Up
Understand?
and kick.
Yeah.
Uh,
Repeat it repeat it right and left. Switch. Okay? Try. 3, 4. Up and kick.
1,
Up and kick.
2,
Up and kick.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and stop.
Okay? And now let's try with singing. Okay. 3 and 4. Nenek sudah tua,
Giginya
tinggal 2.
stop.
Stop. Okay. And the next lyrics.
Last position. Tredung tralala. Open your hand and open your leg. Cross, open, cross, open, cross, and stop. Okay?
Try again.
Repeat.
Please repeat. The last position.
Okay. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Okay. With the lyric. Last position. Tredung tap tap. Tredung tap tap. Tredung stop. Once more. Last position. Tredung tap tap. Tredung tra tap. Tredung stop. Next. Tralala. Run in place. And apa nih? Clench your hand, put in your waist, okay? Tralala.
Jumping
Jump.
in the circle. Okay. The last position.
Jump.
And then start. Tredung.
Tralala. Stop. Once more. Tredung. Tralala. Okay, next.
Same,
Yes.
but the
Tredung.
street direction. Okay.
Open.
Open.
Tre, dung, tap, tap. Tre,
Dung.
tap, tap. Tre, dung,
Dung.
and stop. Next. Tra, la, la, hop, stop. Next. Or repeat. Repeat, okay? Once more. Okay, dari sini.
Okay.
From this, open, tre, dung, tap, tap. Tre, dung, tap, tap. Tre, dung, stop. Tra, la, la, and stop. Next, open, once more. Tre, dung, tap, tap. Tre, dung, tap, tap. Tre, dung, stop. Next. Tra, la, la. Okay. Next, okay, next. Jump 5 times, okay. Like this. Jump. And open your hand, okay. Like this. 5 times, okay. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lirik burung kakak tua, oke?
Tredung, tredung,
Tredung, tralala, burung kakak tua. And the last, open, put your hands up and circle. 1, 2, 3, stop. Your leg in the front. Okay. Next, dari sini. Burung kakak tua. Tralala, burung kakak tua. Stop. Okay, nice.
Nice, good. Thank you, Dia. And how about you? Can you move like us? Okay, I will show, we will show how to move with the music. Okay? Don't go anywhere.
Bye-bye.
Sudah